Hi, welcome back to my channel Skill Set Go. In this video we will see what is magic matrix. This is the 3 into 3 square matrix. We need to fill the numbers 1 to 9 in this box. So after filling, if we add all the numbers in a row, we need to get the same number. Either column if we add, we need to get the same number, and the row numbers if we add, we need to get the same number, and if we add the diagonal numbers also, we need to get the same number. So now I am going to fill the numbers, and later I will explain the formula how to fill those numbers. So let's fill this magic matrix, the 3 into 3 square matrix. So I have filled the magic matrix, and if you try to add all the numbers in a row and column, we will get the same sum. Let's add it. So if we add 2 plus 7 plus 6, we will get 15. 9 plus 5 14, plus 1 15. 4 plus 7 7 plus 8 15. And if we add the diagonal numbers, 4 plus 5 9, and this is 15. And if we add the columns, 9 plus 4 plus 2 is 15, and this is also 15, and this is also 15. So as you can see, we have got the same sum if we add all the columns and all the rows and the diagonal numbers. So if you want to know how to fill the 3 into 3 matrix, let's go to the steps how to fill it. So the first step we need to follow, the first number we need to keep in the center row and in the last box. So that is this box. So here we need to fill 1, and from this number we need to go in a direction, southeast direction. So southeast direction is nothing but this direction. If you go this direction, we will get this space, but this space is out of matrix. So we need to fill the box which is opposite to this box. This box is outside, so we need to fill the opposite box too. So every time we need to go southeast direction, that is this direction, and after going this direction, if the box is out of matrix, we need to fill the opposite box. Okay, let's go again. So here we need to follow the southeast direction. So this box is also out of matrix, so we need to fill the opposite box with 3. And again let's go to southeast direction. If you go, this box is already filled. So if this box, if the southeast box is already filled, then we need to fill the left of this box. Here the 4. Suppose this is step 1 and step 3. If this step has the number already, then we need to fill the left box. So again follow the same steps. Southeast direction, number is not there, we need to fill with 5. Southeast direction, number is not there, we need to fill with 6. And again southeast direction, here if you see, this is out of matrix, then we need to follow the second step, opposite box. Here if you see opposite box is also outside. So in this case again we need to fill left of this box. So if the second step fails also, we need to fill the left box. and again let's go to southeast direction. This box is out of matrix, then we need to fill the opposite box with 8, and again let's go to southeast side. This box is out of matrix, then we need to fill the opposite box. So this is how we will fill the magic matrix, so that we will get the same sum if we add all the columns and all the rows and the diagonal numbers. So here we will get the same numbers, same sum, 15, 15, 15, and if we add diagonal numbers we will get 15. If we add row numbers we will get 15, 15 and 15. So this is how we will fill 3 into 3 magic matrix. These are the steps. First we need to go to southeast direction. If the box is outside, then we need to fill the opposite box, or if the box is already filled, we need to fill the left box. So I hope you understood this process, and in the next video we can try to fill the 4 into 4 magic matrix with the same process. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.